In our daily jobs, we do our best to fulfill our tasks. But to err is human. People put things where they don't belong. And when assets get lost, it's better to know where. As Andrea drives a container to the storage area, she gets a call to hurry to another area of the plant. She leaves the container parked at the wrong place, which will be missed at the right spot. In the control room, Asset Agent warns Marcus about the error. That's why we monitor containers real-time before they are lost forever. For optimal planning, Marcus can set the proper storage area for an asset, and let Asset Agent do the automated monitoring. In case a container is left in the wrong place, it's not only him who is informed. After a predefined time, the Asset Agent transponder will start blinking red, indicating the erroneous position to everyone in the storage area. Now it is easy for Carl to locate the misplaced container, drive it where it belongs and keep things in order. That's one way how Asset Agent helps you to eliminate costly mishaps in your processes. No more lost assets. No more wasted time. Greater productivity. That's Asset Agent by Identech Solutions.